Good evening, my student, friends, and followers. Today, our discussion about industrial automations and control. বিষয় হচ্ছে যে আমরা এই অটোমেশন, ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন, এই RLC, ELC and PLC. RLC relay logic control and ELC electronic logic control and PLC called programmable logic control. এর আগে 72 পার্টে আমরা যে রিলে লজিক কন্ট্রোল যে আলোচনা করেছি সেখানে কিছু কোশ্চেন এসছে, যেরকম RLC যে আমরা আলোচনা করছি তার আগে কিন্তু একটা জিনিস সেটাকে আলোচনা করা দরকার, সেটা হচ্ছে ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়াল অটোমেশন কন্ট্রোল অ্যান্ড আদার RLC ফর পাওয়ার নেটওয়ার্ক সিস্টেমস অ্যাজ রেজিস্ট্যান্স, ইন্ডাক্টর, capacitor are connected in series as also parallel or both. It is a power network system. Okay, today part 73, electrical and electronics combined practical. Industrial automation and control. Here relay logic control RLC, here electronics logic control ELC, and programmable logic control is PLC. Here for industrial automation and control are other RLC for power network systems as resistance, inductor, capacitor are connected in series as here, and also parallel as here, or both for parallel and series for electrical power network system. This is a RLC, power logic control. Here this is a RLC. And other industrial automation control we discussed RLC, relay logic control for industrial process using relays and electronics, electromechanical switches, creating sequence of action by logic. Input electrical signals to operate sensors, timers, relays, switches are activated for various controlling and output. Here output means valves, motors, lights and mechanical activities. Here RLC motors, induction motors, operations as reverse and forward as the diagram here. This is the RLC. This is a 3-phase power here and earth. 3-phase power here, fuse. Here fuse here. This is a C1 and C2 contactor here. This is a overload relay. Here motor. This is a connection 3-phase RYB 415 volt here, 50 Hz. HRC fuse, high representative capacity fuse here. F1, the power circuit called. Here, conductor, the power contact here. This is as per current flowing capacity and no volt coil capacity as per here 415 volt or 110 volt or transformer put here 24 volt to 110 volt may. This is a overload relay. When motor overloaded, the overloaded tip here and motor off. Now here, this is a connected here. This is a control circuit here. The overload relay here. This is a normally close. This is a push button P1 here. This is a normally close contact here. The P1, they normally close here. These are normally open. Normally to close. Close means here, this is a on push. This is a on push called off. C1 open contact and C2 is open. C2 is open. C1 contact is open. P1 normally open here. P1 may here close. This is a off push. This is a on push. Conductor 1 on push. Here this is a open. This is a C2 forward. It is reverse and forward or forward reverse may. Here this is open. This is a C2 contact here. C2 contact here. C1 contact. This conductor close contact, control contact here, connect here, and no volt line here. This is a common line here, neutral or 415 any same phase here. No volt coil as per no volt coil, and vice versa here. C1 close contact here connected here. When conductor 1 pushed, is the line here coming and pushed here. This is a C2 close contact from connect here and C1 connect. Then C1 contact close and motor here run through overload relay. Next, this is the off push off. Next, forward here push, connect here, power connect and power coming here through C1 close contact and C2 connect power through C2 close contact, and is a common line here. From transformer or single phase 220 volt neutral or any or 415 volt coil R or Y here, B or red, any. Then pushed, power contactor close and C2 closed power run. Here technically R, Y and B forwarded motor run, then R, Y, B. Here changed line here. This is the red, yellow, blue. The blue is when off, this is on, this is power is here, motor lead here change. R and Y, this is a change here. This is a change here. This is off, this is on, change here. Motor forwarded or reverse. Earth connected here. This is a control circuit. This is a power circuit. This is the power circuit here. This is called RLC, relay logic control. Relay logic control here, and this is the input 15 volt. Connect here and out may 24 volt to 110 volt or direct to 15 volt as per C1 and C2 contactor no volt coil. This is the control circuit RLC. Then the power circuit contactor is run through RLC called power relay logic control. Relay logic control. Thanks students.